In these pro packing tips, we're gonna show you how to pack for a long trip in a carry-on.
We use these same packing tips for our 6-month-long honeymoon, where we went to places with all different kinds of weather. I mean, we're talking Mexico in December, Germany in January.
People are just so nice here. They even wish you a good fart.
France in February.
And we have baguettes.
And more bread. Spain in March. England in April. And Italy in May. And a poppy field. All in one carry-on.
Let's do it. Hey, it's Chris and Alan, and we've been traveling the world for the last year and a half in just our carry-on suitcases.
So if you're into it, subscribe to our channel for more travel vlogs and tip videos just like this one.
So without further ado, let's get to it. Tip number 1, pack for 1 week. Whether you're actually going for a week or you're going for an entire month, either way, just pack for a week and plan to do laundry.
We spent 6 months in Europe and only packed 1 week's worth of clothes. It is possible and it's actually kind of liberating. It makes getting ready in the morning so much faster and it's a lot easier to get out onto the adventure.
Telling me. Tip number 2, make sure everything matches. If it doesn't match, it doesn't go.
If variety is what you're worried about, then this is how you solve that problem. You can go from having 7 outfits to 20 with the same amount of clothes by following this one rule. Check to make sure every top matches every bottom. If it doesn't match those pants, then it just doesn't go. If you want to make it easy on yourself, you can actually pick a color scheme. I usually go with blue and black and pops of red.
I mean, for me, it's super simple. Just tried and true black and gray undershirts with any overshirt. That way, if it's warm outside, I could just wear the undershirt, or if it's cold or fancy, it's fancy outside today. If it's like a fancy occasion, just throw on the overshirt and I'm good to go.
Which brings us to tip number 3. Layering is key. When you're going to different climates, layering is the best way to get the most use out of the space in your tiny little carry-on.
Itty bitty little carry-on.
Itty bitty little carry-on.
Especially European sizes.
Bringing 5 sweaters because you're going to the German Christmas markets sounds nice, but it's not the most practical use of that space when you're also going to the beaches in Mexico. So for our 6-month trip, I brought 1 sweater and 1 cardigan that matched with everything else I owned, and I could layer it on top. And because it takes so much less space, you can pack a scarf, a hat, and some gloves to make up that warmth difference.
Tip number 4, packing cubes are awesome. Isn't it like everything is awesome?
At first, I thought they were totally overrated and I didn't understand why I would add another thing to my suitcase. But then I tried them and I love them.
Here's
Cheers
to you.
to you.
Here's to you, packing cubes.
Making life easier.
Good on you.
Packing cubes make it so much easier to compress down your clothes and zip up your suitcase.
Then when you're at the airport, you're running late and TSA decides, hey, it's time to go through your bags. You're gonna be really happy you have those packing cubes so you don't have to like refold every single article of clothing in front of a bunch of strangers. It's the worst.
We may or may not have had to do that before.
Maybe.
And then when you're on the road, they make it so much easier to stay organized. You can easily separate out what's clean and what's dirty. You can easily stick things under the cubes to maximize space and not worry about things like shoes getting your clothes dirty. And when you get to your destination, you can just take the cube out, put it in a drawer, and you're done unpacking. Packing cubes are amazing, so just go for it. You'll love them.
Tip number 5, 2 pairs of shoes, max. I'm serious. Only 2 pairs of shoes. Now, shoes are the single heaviest item on your packing list and they take up the most space, so it's really crucial that you follow this rule. Now, personally, I only bring 1 pair of hiking shoes that doubles as my walking shoes and my fancy dinner shoes. Fancy. My second pair is a pair of Ever Hopeful running shoes that I never use, but you can bring comfier walking shoes or sandals or flip-flops or whatever. Just make sure it's nothing bulkier than what you wear on the plane.
I only bring 1 pair of walking shoes, and in the warmer months, that's Keds. In the colder months, it's a pair of comfy ankle boots. My other pair of shoes is usually a pair of ballet flats.
Are they called ballet flats?
Yeah. Okay.
Why are they called ballet flats?
They look like ballet flats.
You always wanted to be a ballerina.
They're compact and they fit really small, and I can wear them with dresses and dress them up or down if I want. I've even worn these as sandals on the beach when I didn't want to bring a pair of shoes just for 1 location.
I mean, I didn't even bring sandals with me to Mexico. I bought them at Walmart for like 10 bucks. So if you don't want to bring them in your suitcase, just buy them when you get there. Which brings us to tip number 6. They got stores there.
Surprise.
What I mean by that is the places you're going have stores. It's true. And if they don't have the stuff,
They have markets.
maybe you don't need the stuff because they don't need the stuff. Like if you're gonna buy in like Mary Kay in the Congo,
Just Get
you don't
on
need
without it. Get on without it.
Get on, yeah, get on without it. Get on up out of here with that Mary Kay. Whatever you buy makes a great souvenir for yourself. Por ejemplo, I bought a jacket in England. It was winter. I forgot my jacket. Long story short, we're running late. I didn't know where my jacket was, and I was like,
we were living in LA, so
forget it. I'm gonna buy one when we get there. So I did, and it's a great souvenir now. I got it for like, I went to like Tesco and got it for 10 quid, which is like 12 bucks. Quid is a buck, which sure, and happy days. So this is the winter coat I was talking about. These are the sunglasses I got in Mexico and the sandals.
And these are the tennis shoes I bought in England and a couple of dresses I bought in Italy because it's warm. It's warm in Italy. This tip especially applies to toiletries. When we're staying in a place for a month or two at a time, we can't really afford to bring 2 Costco-sized bottles of shampoo and conditioner. So we bring the travel-sized bottles, probably just like the rest of you, but we only use them for the first night or 2 of the place we're staying. We don't bring a ton of travel-sized bottles.
No, then we get to the store as soon as possible to get the conditioner. Tip number 7, bring an anti-sickness kit. Copyright pending. Now, there's some things that we always bring with us, like Tylenol, Dayquil, Tums, Airborne, because people on the plane are gross sometimes. Think of the things that you are not gonna wanna be without when you first land. Like there's always stores, there's always pharmacies, but sometimes they're unavailable.
Like when you wake up on Christmas Day with 105 fever and the closest pharmacy is 20 minutes away and it's closed. So thank goodness for the kindness of travelers, but ever since then, we always carry our own stash.
Tip number 8, bring something that feels like home. Now, when you're far away from home, cue piano music. When you're far away from home and, no, just single chords.
Bad.
Just
that was bad, I should not have.
Just single open voice chords. Yeah, ready? There we go. I'll play along. Ready? So on long trips, when you're just missing that special place in your heart, you're just gonna want something, just anything. I mean, it can't be your favorite pillow.
Oh, I wish.
It can't be your Snuggie, but
no fuzzy blankets.
Gosh darn it, it's gotta be something. Ellen.
So you bring a journal, some tea, favorite essential oils, just anything that's little, cozy, and sparks a little bit of joy in your life.
So there you go. These 8 pro packing tips are gonna help you pack and carry on for your next long trip, whether it's 2 weeks or 6 months.
Enjoy where you're going, but don't forget that it's more important the memories that you take back than it is what you're bringing with you.
That's good. That belongs on a t-shirt. Until next time, what are you waiting for?
Get packing.
Let's go. So we're gonna show you how to
Into places with all kinds of weather.
all kinds of weather.
All kinds.
Sorry, was that bad? I just felt like I needed to contribute.
Said the whole intro line.
I gotta get my motivation right. Nice, we did it. Why is punching my first resort? Did you use this for snot? I see green.
What?
Wait, what's the joke? Is this clean?
No.
I bet it's not. Ready, go. Refold everything in front of a bunch of strangers.
And then on your sorry.
That was
Sorry. I had one.
words.
I don't know what happened.
I nailed it too.
I'm sorry.
Dead puppies, dead puppies, dead puppies. Okay, let's do this.
Should I say we may or may not have had to do that before?
No, it's fine. Tip number 5, 2 pairs of shoes, maximum. It's French for maximum. It's not French for maximum. Now, shoes are the single...
Not ready. Sorry. I'm all like...
So it's really crucial that you follow this rule. Blah, 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 blah. Let's try this take again. My hiking shoes that is for a different take. Nice. Punching again. Is that good or?
No, I liked it.
Okay, cool. You liked it?
I liked it.
It's getting late.
This part. This part. See how well I can make it through that chunk of stuff.
Okay.
This chunk of stuff. What?
No hunchies.
No hunchies.
No hunchies. Got a hunch?
Only honeys.
Fix it. You like my yolks?
Yeah.
I'm getting eggs tomorrow, so we'll have more yolks.
Okay, continue.
Ready? Go for it. I'm just gonna sit here and look at you. Nice.
For the closest store, pharmacy, blah, blah, blah. Sorry.
Oh, it was so good. It was so good.
I'm sorry. We got this. We got this.
Got this.
Got this.
Go team.
Ho, ho, ho.
Tip number 7, bring it in.
Go team.
This has been a new thing recently. Got the giggles. Dead puppies, dead puppies. Okay, let's do this. See how that turns out in post.
One more time, just to be safe.
Without the piano. And at 1 in the morning, too.
That it's more important what you take back.
Oh, no! That was so good!
I'm sorry.
No. Do you feel it?
I do.
I feel it, too. Nice. All right.